So in this question, given that f of x is 1 by x square minus 17x plus 66, and then f of x by x plus 2 is discontinuous at x is equal to what? This is the question. So this is an example of a composite function. So let u is equal to x by x minus 2. That is, u is a function of x. So let us say that u is x by x minus 2. So this implies the given function is nothing but f of u. F of u is nothing but, according to this function, 1 by u square minus 17u plus 66. So this is a quadratic. You can very clearly see that this can be very easily factorized as u minus 11 times u minus 6. So as you can see, f of u is a rational function. So rational function is always continuous except the points where the denominator is equal to 0. It is when u is equal to 11 or 6, this f of u has problems of continuity. So when u is equal to 11 or 6, the function is discontinuous. And also, you have to be very clear here. And also, f of u is not defined at x is equal to 2 because u is not defined at x is equal to 2. So only after f of u is defined, you can think about the continuity or discontinuity. But u of x is not defined at x is equal to 2. So if u is not defined, obviously f of u is also not defined. So when u is equal to 2 also, the function is discontinuous because the function is not defined. So that means x by x minus 2 is equal to either 11 or 6. Sorry, here u is not equal to 2, x is equal to 2. When x is equal to 2, u is not defined. Hence x is equal to 2, the function is discontinuous. And after u is defined, f of u is not defined when u is equal to 11 or 6. That is, x by x minus 2 is equal to 11 or 6. So this implies x is equal to 11x minus 22. So 22 is equal to 10x. X is equal to 22 by 10 or 11 by 5. So one point is x is equal to 11 by 5. Or x by x minus 2 is equal to 6. This implies x is equal to 6x minus 12. 5x is equal to 12. X is equal to 12 by 5. So this is the next point. So f of u, f of x by x minus 2 is discontinuous at 3 points: 2, 12 by 5 and 11 by 5.